Let's go check it out.
Food, fun, finance. We are here at St. Croix Airport, I guess. That's all I can sum it up to, but this is what we eat, and we got this on our way back from Point Udall at the gas station. It's called, yeah, right there. That's Point Udall. What's the name of the gas station? Ziggy. Ziggy something. It's the only gas station out there. You can't miss it. So on the way out there, before you get to Kramer's Park, the line was long as heck. So I was like, let me go see what's going on. So on this right here, they got They got French toast, eggs, ham, sausage, bacon, and potato. They had some other stuff, but it was gonna take too long. And as you see, we're at the airport. We didn't want to miss our flight. This French toast is banging though. You know, anything that's really dripped up for me, you know, I like it. So they cooked everything, everything live in front of you. You'll see it in the footage. So this looks like strawberries. Yeah, so it's strawberries. Is this eggs?
Yep, and French toast.
Strawberries, eggs, French toast, chocolate chips. It looks strange, but it's really good. It's really good. So, yeah, I just keep watching. We're about to leave St. Croix USVI. You already know what's going on. We wouldn't just be eating in the airport. So, food, fun, finance. Watch me eat this. Then I'll give you my reviews on this food and let you know what was good, what was not good. What we really wanted was the conch fritters egg benedict. That's what we wanted. That thing had looked so good, but it took a little bit longer because they cooked it real fresh. As you can see in this picture, that's pretty much Carnival. So they have like a little mural back here or a collage of photos. And this looked like Christiansted, because this right here, that looked like Buck Island right there. So it's like a picture of the Christiansted part. That's Carnival. This right here is Point Udall, the most easternest part of the United States. That's a real good picture, how the light coming in. Like, I wish we got a picture like that. This is kind of part of Carnival too. This looks like somewhere. It's not Buck Island though, but there's people in there. That look like Christiansted, and this just looked like a beach. But it's really nice how they did the remodeling of the airport. It's really awesome. They really did a good job. It took them like what, 5 years, but it's done. Stay tuned. So the customer service was A1. I gave it 4.5 stars. It was great, awesome. I really liked it. I really enjoyed their company. They were all real friendly and real conversational. Food. The food was pretty darn good. I really wish I had enough time to taste those conch fritter Benedict eggs. A word of advice: if you come into the Virgin Islands, or really if you're going anywhere, you're gonna need at least a week minimum stay at anywhere you go. And even though we're YouTubers and we travel a lot, we try to fit everything we can do into the time frame that we do stay. But I'm just letting everybody out there know, you need to be able to stay here at least a week to be able to do half of the stuff you need to do. The food was excellent. I'm gonna give the food a 4.0. The only thing that I didn't like was the mixture of everything, as far as the syrup was poured over everything. I know there's some people out there that would prefer certain things separated and all that good stuff. And I don't even think that they probably wouldn't have done it, but that's just how they do it. So everything was put onto the dish, and I could eat it, and I did eat it, but I just don't like syrup on my potatoes and most of the time my eggs and sausage and bacon. But everything else, yeah. You know, I like my stuff dripping, and it was bad. It was dripped up. So, food 4.0, they did their thing with that. Pricing. The pricing, it was a little expensive. Tad expensive. But I mean, in the islands, like working on Sunday is like kind of like rough. There's not too many places that's open on a Sunday, especially serving breakfast. I'm pretty sure anywhere we went to would probably be just as expensive, especially on a Sunday. So I wasn't too upset with the price. When it comes to food, I don't really care about the price. Now, if it's like some terrible food, I'm gonna be like, yeah, that wasn't worth it. That was definitely not worth the price. But this was pretty close to it. It wasn't too bad. That's it. That's all I got for you, man. Like, I hope y'all enjoy the footage. I hope y'all enjoy everything that we were able to accomplish while we were here in St. Croix, USVI. You must visit all the restaurants that we visited. Like, it was two real memorable places that we went to that, like, I'ma really push those like videos real hard, as far as letting everybody know that that's where you really need to go to. We did a lot. We did a lot of excursions. You'll see all those videos. Like, we did plenty. So there's plenty of footage for you guys to enjoy. So when you make your journey down to the Virgin Islands or down to St. Croix, you'll be able to know where to go, know where to hit up, know what to do, and enjoy yourself, period. That's what it's about. YOLO, you only live life once. But it's time to go. The flight is about to board, and see you back in Georgia.